Yung character ko sa music video is para siyang warrior.
What a face. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Whoever here, I hope that you are all doing well. And we are at The Concept. Now, this particular part of the making has been subbed, and I'm really grateful for that, and I'm looking forward to watching this. Talk to us about that concept. Let us into your minds. Now, obviously, I've been preparing for the EP by watching some of their interviews, and it all comes from the members themselves. Obviously, they would have outside input as to what they can and cannot physically and with money can do, but all of it comes from them, and I'm so excited to hear all about this concept. Please, can we watch this together?
Before has been true to their characters. So, kapag ibabalik natin kung sino sila before and ipasok natin sa dam, since sobrang nag-connect lahat. Dito siya. Tapos dito yung statue.
Basically, Dam is Pablo's dream. Literally, Pablo's dream.
Really?
Ang taas ng pressure, lahat kami ganado to really perform. Gusto namin ng mahabang planning. Gusto namin ng pulidong planning and may time for the artistry to grow.
And pinagbigyan tayo.
And pinagbigyan talaga. Sobrang grateful kami doon. And yung amount of creative freedom, natatranslate ko ng maayos in terms of the logos, in terms of the look, the colors. Kasi yung songwriting na mismo na ilalatag niya sa akin. And sobrang na-appreciate namin yun as artists kasi we get to see the intention behind the music. Natatranslate namin dun sa visual that pinoproduce namin ngayon for them. Let's make sure everything connects, everything snaps in. So people would think and people would look back to everything that they have released before. And we have Alan, she as a director.
Has been working with them.
Has been working with them
since what?
Since what?
Actually, since the trailer of Ikalawang Yugto. It's always been Alanchi.
So Alanchi, Carlo, it's been the same team. That's why it feels like home. One of the challenges pa was sa creative direction part was the wardrobe. Kasi since it's medieval, it requires so much attention to detail. That's why good thing we have the best of the best. Like literally right now here, sila Miss Rain, sila Francis Libiran, sila Neric Beltran.
Dun sa briefing pa lang, ang sabi nila is, ito na guys, welcome back. Kasi since tayo rin yung gumawa ng pagtatagpa. So, parang sabi nila na this is the third chapter. We have to conduct an interview with them, like a discovery session with the members to really get to know what they want to tell.
What is a discovery session like with those five?
Parang hihigitan niyo sa ganda. So, for example, umakit ka ng bundok, ang taas na narating mo. But how do you hihigitan yun? Tatanim ka. May puno. Period siya, di ba? Pero it's also a scene that you can plant and you can reach more heights. And at the same time, you're able to inspire people through that scene kasi babalik. Parang naging cycle siya.
So, parang ang initial nila
I can't not talk about Ken. Can I just talk about Ken? I really love that they're all just able to be comfortable. There's some members on their phone. There's others probably writing. Jar kind of looks like he might even be sketching. And everybody has a different way of focusing. Not everybody takes in information. Not everybody engages in a conversation in the same way. You might have bursts of energy or bursts of ideas, or you might just want to talk continuously. Every single person is different. And I love that Onesie have this nurturing environment where they allow everybody to say their piece when they're comfortable to do so. It's not like, you haven't spoken for a long time, why? What's wrong? Do you know what I mean? It's not like that. Whenever you feel comfortable, if you have something you want to say, you want to input, you will not be laughed at, you will be listened to, and you are welcome to bring forth your ideas. And this is all we ever needed to know about what happens inside Onesie. Every single employee of that company is so incredibly lucky. But yeah, I just really love seeing Ken, like he's got a car model right there and he's working on it in the background. And I love that because he's listening, he's engaging. And when he needs to, he'll give his input.
You can plant and you can reach more heights. And at the same time, you're able to inspire people through that scene kasi babalik. Parang naging cycle siya.
So parang ang initial nilang brief is, it's medieval. and then sacrifice.
One of the challenges pa was it requires so much attention to detail. 3, 2, 1, go! Yun, okay? alam nila yung gusto nila eh. So it makes everything easy in terms of visually kasi nagpo-provide sila ng gusto nila. Na-appreciate namin si Stel kasi actually sobrang laki na ng tinulong niya sa story.
Yung character niya kasi sabi niya, I would like to suggest na sana may dalawang character ako.
You can see I have two personalities then, which is the good and bad Stel. So yung good, technically siya yung nakakulong doon sa loob ng mirror, and yung bad, siya yung parang nag-uudyok doon sa mga tao na parang pumilit pumasok nung mga layers namin, parang puntahan yung magic tree. Yung bad Stel yung nagsasabi sa tao na parang they really need to go inside para makita and makuha yung fruit nung tree na yun.
Sa story natin sa dam, if kailangan nilang buhayin yung tree, hindi nila magagawa yun.
Really
wala si Stel. Kailangan pakawalan ni Stel yung sarili niya.
Oo.
Para makatulong siya sa grupo. Yun yung halos naging main plot ng dam na music video.
Tsaka yung in terms of pagtatag kasi 'di ba dugo din talaga yung Stel yung nakabuhay ng tree.
Actually siya yung nagtanim.
Siya yung nagtanim. Oo, sa ikalawang yugto. Basically ganun siya ka-vital in terms of the entire universe.
Si Pao naman yung contribution niya bukod sa siya yung nagsulat ng song and all. Kumbaga binigyan niya kami ng insight to ano ba talagang iniisip niya during na sinusulat niya yung song. So, sabi niya dun sa discovery session is panaginip niya talaga yung dam. So, parang ang dream niya is nakatayo silang 5 sa isang dam.
Parang dulo.
Parang cliff. Oo. So, parang kaya sa music video nilagyan namin siya ng parang cliff. Yung dam kasi may pinipigilan ka, di ba? Pinipigilan mo yung flow ng water.
Ang Wolf King, napakadami niya ng digmaang nilabanan, and dumating sa point na napapagod na siya sa mga laban-laban, sa digmaan. So, parang nagpahinga siya sa kanyang lair kung saan namalagi siya for many years. The ability niya is shadows. So, he is able to control the shadows. And so, syempre, hindi pwede sinaga ng araw kasi nga nandun na siya sa lair.
Basically, Dam is Pablo's dream. Kasi panaginip niya talaga. And natutuwa kami na napapanaginipan na yung boys kasama siya sa panaginip. And
kaya kasama siya sa pangarap.
Oo, kasama sa pangarap.
Standing on the edge of a cliff. I get it.
And lahat dapat approve nila. Lahat dadaan sa kanila.
There goes the micromanaging they're talking about.
Alam mo yun, the moment na may na-approve na talagang lahat sila on board dun.
Lahat kami sobrang alam na namin yung creative brief by heart.
Okay. It's better.
During meetings,
I love that.
Si Josh, ang dami na talagang suggestion.
Ang dami niya. Siya yung pinakamadaming insight, suggestions, tsaka
yun nga, siguro sa kanila lahat, siya yung pinaka ma-experience sa games tsaka sa mga medieval.
Basically, di ba, pag naglalaro ka ng mga MMORPG, RPG, di ba, meron mga classes. Nandun ako sa class na parang assassin or thief.
so gusto niya ng may power siya.
Nagkataon din na may powers ako kasi sabi ko gusto ko na may powers ako. And for this time, I wanted to be lightning. Matagal ko na kasi kung magkakaroon ako ng powers.
They could literally make this whole thing into a game.
Cool. Ganun. Pero, and then nagdidicay din yung
if this was an American boy group,
nag-feel na kami,
like somebody like Sony would have pushed them and created a game already.
Yan, ang ganda niyan.
Pero syempre, minsan kasama lang yun sa challenges ng buhay natin. Hindi tayo syempre papayag na mahina tayo. It's just a bad day. Not a bad life.
Nung dinidirect ko siya kanina about sa isang post niya, sinabi ko lang yung certain, sabi ko mag-require din post ka from Dota. Alam niya na agad. So yun yung thing about Josh kasi ang dali niya pumasok doon sa role niya ngayon.
Baliktad yung siksik ko. Baliktad? Marumi kasi ito eh.
Tapos Tapos sa meetings din naman, usually kasi si Ken, ang dal-dal niya talaga. Tapos siya yung tumatayo. Tapos parang sabi niya, alam ko yan. Alam ko yung reference niya. Alam ko yung...
That means he's passionate.
Yung character ko sa music video
Goodness
is
gracious.
para siyang
What a face.
warrior. And madami siyang pinagdaanan. He has a lot. One thing is parang troubled siya or anxious siya because of what happened sa war. So, that's why pag nakikita niyo sa music video, and that's why yung character ko naging ganyan is because he wants to protect the tree. And of course, yun yung goal ng group.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Start ka muna sa yuko. Yuko ka muna. Yan. Okay.
Sila Josh, si Ken, they know the material. Ultimo, pati yung details ng book, sinabi ni Ken na mas maganda yan pag may mga metal parts, pag ganito yung writing. As in, lahat sila may inputs to that very detail. Si Jack kasi sobrang natutuwa kami kasi lahat ng ipoproduce namin, lahat ng ipaplano, ipapakita namin sa kanya visually, sobrang nagugustuhan niya, sobrang appreciative siya for it. And may inputs din talaga sila na what if ganito yung material, na what if ganito yung color.
Mag-send talaga siya ng photo, mag-search siya.
Oo, as in real
Because
time,
each
pag nakita
member
niya, magsasend agad siya
excels
ng
in a particular
photos.
area.
Para lang to suggest.
When they then give their
makarating
inputs
kami
to the
ngayon, kasi I
professionals,
believe
they can
that
tailor
the
it
boys,
to their identity.
SB19, alam nila yung gusto
That's
nila.
just what makes SB19 like stunning.
It makes everything easy in terms of visually. He represents the decisions of the group din.
Yung character ko naman dito sa Damn Music Video is very... Sabi ko, me. Very me. Hindi, kita nyo naman, nature, ganyan, hala-halaman. Blind ako, pero I can see more than what the
Your other
normal
senses are
people can
heightened.
see. Parang ganun yung mensahe niya na hindi lang ako nakakita basta, but I can see what's beyond. And nakita ko nga kung ano yung solusyon dun sa problema, parang ganun. Ang role ko is, yung character ko, isang researcher. Yun, even though I'm blind, I can see what's beyond.
From the past projects, ito talaga yung pinaka hands-on sila. Kasi sa lahat ng meeting, they make sure na nandyan silang lahat.
Doon namin naramdaman na sobrang pina-prioritize na to. As in, sobrang binibigyan nila ng
It's
effort.
not even priority
binibigyan
though,
nila
is it?
ng
It's
time.
life.
Basically, yung MV
This
na
is
to,
their
tas ang
life.
value for them na they wanted to they wanted to be as ambitious as possible. They wanted to be personal as possible. Sobrang naging madali because everybody is on board. As in, lahat kami it's on the single. As in, lahat kami in one page.
Sobrang ganda and sobrang happy ng boys sa kinalabasan.
I don't ever want these to end. I am just having so much fun, and it takes me back to all the other stuff that we've seen of them and previous like documentary films. And obviously they had Plug the Thug documentary. I'm just really, really glad that we're getting this sort of stuff up front, okay? Because it helps you to understand everything. I know they can't really give us this stuff before we've seen the music video, but I'm really glad that we're getting it while we wait for the EP to drop, because I think it's all going to help everything to fall into place. Not just this EP, but the previous two EPs as well. And the amount of weaving of stuff that they have done over the years is just absolutely insane. Like I'm not even like seeing it right now. It's not even hitting me. You'd have to like actually go and research. And I don't know about you, but stuff like that really interests me. Like, yes, I want to listen to good music and I want to love great artists and they have great funny personalities. But when you see the amount of detailing and effort that's gone into something like this, and I'm like, oh, I've got a spare 20 minutes. I'm going to quickly go and watch this and see what they're talking about in that damn The Making, right? And I go and watch it and I'm like, oh, I'm satisfied. Like, that is so good. Do you know what I mean? Like, everything is just so full. This has been really eye-opening, and even like details perhaps that I would have missed in watching the music video for the very first time. I feel like them saying it's really important, because yes, we can kind of make our own mind up about how we feel. Pablo has always said that, but in this case, because it's such a strong idea, it is good that they are telling us what everything is, because we can then really value it, and we can just give our absolute thanks for everyone that's been leading each area of the production of this whole music video and song, because It's like nothing that's ever been done before. It's a feature film. That's what it is. Please do talk to me about this whole concept, the making. I can't wait to hear what you have to say, and thank you so much for watching it with me. I hope that you had fun. And until I see you next time, take care. Stay safe. Bye.